Philosophical, Intellectual Discussions by Doc C, PhD Company, May 6th, 2015. Doc Castellano, Simi Valley, California, USA, May 6th, 2015. Copyrighted, all rights reserved. From my and or your philosophical viewpoint, definitions are strictly for the discipline of science. I have been presenting videos for the general public. I have been presenting videos that are, I think, certainly interesting and of value. For those in the sciences, has been a bit testy to not complain. This video is especially for their view, review, participation, comment, etc. Therefore, reverting back to the 1970s, when science was my main interest, that is some 40 plus years ago, I will present this video as per when science was my main interest and challenge. Spontaneous, unrehearsed, no excuse given, none allowed. Reference, Galileo Galilei, 1635 minus plus. A mass at rest, x equals 0, y equals 0, z equals 0, t equals 0, remains at rest unless acted upon by other forces. Mass at x equals 0, etc., travels along the x-axis at a constant velocity, v equals 5 meters per second, for 2 seconds of time. T will equal 2 seconds. Velocity equals distance per unit of time. Galileo's one of his universal laws. V is equal to d over t. V is velocity for one or more component velocities. Galileo ruled law of addition of component velocities. Earth's gravitational force measured, calculated, G equals 9.8 meters per second squared. All mass falls Earth's G-force of attraction at same acceleration. G is equal to 2d divided by t squared. X prime equals x plus minus the quantity Vt. V is variable. Time t, the x original distance, x prime is measured or calculated the length. Plagiarist Einstein's opinion that man had to think irrational and use a mathematical schema to express what is occurring in our dynamic, complex universe is irrational and incorrect. X prime equals x minus the quantity Vt over the square root of 1 minus the quantity V squared over C squared. It's put forth by Lorentz as a temporary mathematical schema, and it's just that, an ad hoc, limited opinion that has been superseded by Doc C, PhD Company, yours truly. As far back as 1954, at least. Therefore, I have put forth the capital C transformation equation. Capital C prime equals capital C plus minus the quantity Vt over the square root of the overall quantity 1 minus the quantity v squared over capital C squared. C is equal to or greater than c, velocity of light, thus breaking the light barrier, VLB. Reference: Time Reborn by Lee Smolin. I reviewed only for comparison, took no material out of it. To answer the main question and challenge, what is time? My answer, time T should be reference from sunlight of the Earth's mass when you first establish your position on Earth, your T will equal 0, to when you next measure the interval, T prime will equal to n seconds. As the Earth rotates and orbits. If Einstein, the unquestionable leader, jumped over an imaginary fence, the flock copied. The plagiarist has all sing-songing space-time. That is, space and time are one. Interchangeable. No. Time is, per my definition, that is man's normal use. Space is a distance. A second book I reviewed for comparison only, no material from it, is The Hidden Reality by Brian Greene. Requires some deep thinking because of the quantity and quality of the possible and or probable theories, models being hyped. Personally, I will repeat and express my theories and or models. A phase universe that with the phase of a creation includes any other type, the Big Bang, etc., and any other types of universes. You could have 4 more of universes with ours centrally located and therefore balanced. And in all types of universe, parallel, oblique, that you can want to worm your way to. My philosophy: don't try to establish your opinion per unobtainable, exponential, grandiose. Keep 2 feet on the ground. Think rationally in what is verifiable. You may not obtain quantity, however, your quality may be the best.